Hey Nick, it's Victoria. Just as an FYI, I wanted to show you the place. It is a 3-level contemporary townhouse. It's on the end unit here. Just wanted to show you the outdoor space. Okay. It does have a backyard, but no fence. So you can take a quick peek. It's got an outdoor patio area, and it is quite well cared for. So that's what the backyard looks like. The back of the house has a balcony and a sliding glass door. Let's go check out the interior. Okay, at the front door, you have a front little landing area. There's the air conditioning unit. 2 sets of windows. Let's go on in. Coat closet. You have stairs to the lower level, stairs to the top level. Here is your main living area on the upper level. You've got tall windows and an outdoor balcony right here. Let's take a look at the view. You do see the other townhouses, but you can also see your balcony here. Here's the dining space. It's quite large. You have large windows. Again, that's your back view. You are surrounded by woods in this area. It's a very established community. There's an eat-in kitchen. And you can see your appliances. It's an electric stovetop. And it is in clean condition. And a ice maker and water on the door. Let's go to another closet. Let's go upstairs. Upstairs. All right, on the landing, the first door to the left is a bedroom, a very good size bedroom here. I would say it's probably a 15 by 11. Lots of closet space. The hall bathroom. Here, it's clean. Tile. We have this other bedroom right here. Again, probably a 15 by 11. Huge windows. Lots of green through the trees. Now we're going to go into the master. Here's the master. All right. This is a very, very large master, at least a 20 foot, maybe 18. Double closets. And then you have a shower. All right. Clean shower. It's rather large and long. Now I'm going to pause and I'll go show you the basement. All right, starting back up from the front door, heading down to the basement. You have carpets on this level. All the other areas have been hardwoods. All right, here you have a huge living area, rec room, wood burning fireplace, sliders out to the backyard. This is the backyard from the interior view. All right, lots of storage in a large storage room. Oh, even a window in the storage room. Extra refrigerator, more storage in that closet, and then you have the HVAC, the systems, and the laundry here. Okay, that's what we've got. It's a wrap.